Now, good coding cannot be done without good software, so here is the software that I recommend. For your database, you should be using SQL Server. Okay, it is free. Then, of course, it's a trial version. So for 180 days, it will be free. After that, you'll have to pay for it. But 180 days is sufficient for you to make your project, right? Then you have SQL Server Management Studio. So this is this kind of a software. Okay, this is very much necessary. You cannot code into SQL without SQL Management Studio. Okay, so you need SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio. Notice that this is different than SQL Server. So many people get confused over here. They only download SQL Management Server, and then when they try and connect to the database, then over here they are facing a problem. Over here they do not see anything. When they go to browse in the local servers, they do not find anything. The reason you cannot find anything over here is that you haven't installed SQL Server yet. So first step is to download SQL Server. Okay, go step by step. So SQL Server, then SQL Server Management Studio. Now download Visual Studio IDE. It comes in various versions. These two are paid versions, but community version, as always, is free. So you can download this, and it supports a lot of features, so you do not require anything more. Then you will require Node.js. Now, why is it required? Because whenever you want to do npm install some package, then npm is basically Node Package Manager. And for npm to work, you need Node to be installed on your system. So don't worry, just go to this particular site and just click on this button if you're a Windows user, or this if you're a Mac user, and it will automatically download Node on your system and also Node Package Manager on your system, and after that npm commands will start working. Then you need a Visual Studio Code IDE for your UI programming. Like if you want to code in Angular, then you need this. Just click this button, it will do the rest. Then these two are optional software. Fiddler or Postman are used to test your API calls without going through the UI. Okay, if you just need to see whether your backend is working properly or not, then you can use Fiddler or Postman. So it's up to you which one you want to install, but I would recommend you to install Fiddler. Okay, just hit this particular button, it will download Fiddler. So let's get started.